See, now we're discussing about the problems on ray optics. There is a reflection topic. Let's see the question number 1. Two plane mirrors at 45 degrees to each other. If an object is placed between them, then the number of image will be. See, here is given by the two mirrors. This is the first mirror and this is considered the another mirror. The two mirrors, the make and angle is given by the 45 degrees and object is placed. The object is placed between the two mirrors. This is the object. So what is the reason? The object is placed between the mirror. Now this is the object is there on a exact resultant. That is the symmetric. See, find the number of image. What is the formula for the number of image? The n is equal to 360 degrees by theta. 360 degrees by theta. Now here the theta is equal to how much is there? 45 degrees. Then we can write the n is equal to 360 by 45. Now how many times are cancelled by the 8 times. That is equal to, what is the number of, how many number of images can be found by the 8 is the number of images. But it is an even number. Now when the even number is coming by there, now the total image to negligible of 1, that is n is equal to 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7 images. The total how many can be found by the other? 7 images can be found. Let's see the question number 2. A ray reflected successfully from two plane mirrors inclined at a certain angle undergoes a deviation of 30 degrees, the number of observation of images. See, again is given by the plane mirror, the two plane mirrors. The angle theta is equal is given by the 30 degrees. 30 degrees. The number of images can be formed. The number of image. See, what the principle is the number of image n is equal to 360 degrees by theta. Now theta is equal to how much is given by the area? The 30 degrees. 360 by 30. Then the cancel. How many times are there? The 12 times can be cancelled by this. The number of images. The how many is there? The 12. Now 12 is again is an even number. This number of images is a even number. The even number means again we negligible of the 1. This is 12 minus 1. That is equal to how much is the number of images can be formed is the 11. Let's see the question number 3. See question number 3. To get 5 images of a single object, the one should be have the two plane mirror at an angle. Now here is given by the number of images. How many is given by the n is equal to 5 of a single object. How many objects are taken by the single object? The one should be have the two plane mirrors at an angle. Then find out the theta is equal to. Again we using the number of images formula, n is equal to 360 degrees by theta. Then we can find the theta is equal to 360 degrees by n. Then we can add the 360 degrees by 5. That is equal to theta. Now here the cancel. The 5 how many times are cancelled by the area? The 7 and the 2. That is equal to 72 degree centigrade. The angle between the two plane mirrors is the 72 degree centigrade. Now see the fourth question. So question number 4. A small object is placed 10 centimeters in front of a plane mirror. If you stand behind the object 30 centimeters from the mirror and look at its image, the distance the focus from your eye will be. See, here is given, the one is given by the plane mirror. This is given by the plane mirror. This is given by the plane mirror. Now this is the plane mirror. Now the object is placed in front of plane mirror, that the distance is given by the 10 centimeters. See, this is the object. What is this? An object. The object is placed in front of a plane mirror. It's denoted by the O letter. Okay. Now you stand. You stand means the person can be stand behind the 30 centimeters of the object. The object to how much of the distance is there? The 30 centimeters of the behind. Here we can be standard by that. This is the person. Okay, now the look at it is the eyes. The focus on its mirror. The focus into the mirror. Then find out the distance of eye to mirror. Your eyes to mirror. See the total distance. The total how much is there here? The total distance. Total distance is equal to here the 10 plus here the 30, that is equal to 40 centimeters. How much of the distance is there? The 40 centimeters. Next see the question number 5. Question number 5. A watch shows the time 3:25. 3:25. When see through a mirror, the time appears will be. See, actually is given by the time shows 3:25. This is the time. We are consider the clock. 12, 3, 6, 9. Now how much is given by the 3:25? The 3:25 means this is the small, okay, line. This is the big line. Here will be there. This is the 3:25 can be shows the first time. Now it's located into the mirror. Now it's a located into the mirror. The how much of the time can be shows. This is a 12, 3, 6, 9. But it will be changes. Now here the coming by the small angle and here the big one is there. See that means how much is there here? The 8:35. How much is can be located into the 8:35 in a mirror. This is the mirror. This is the without mirror. Without mirror. Okay. See this is the answer. How much is there? 8:35. Next see the question number 6. A person standing. So question number 6. A man runs towards a mirror at a speed of 15 meters per second. The speed of image which with respect to the man. See this is given by the mirror. Is given by the plane mirror. Now a man runs towards the mirror with speed. Here is there the man. This is the man. Can be moved towards the mirror with 15 meters per second. The how much of the speed is there? 15 meters per second. This is considered by the object. What is considered this an object? And the speed of image with respect to man. The image of the speed we can find it with respect to man. See this image where it can be formed by the inside of the mirror. This is the point. It says the image. Image can be formed. Now this of the distance or velocity is called the image of a velocity. But we already be discussing about the one concept here. A man. So the velocity with respect to object with respect to image. Object with respect to image of velocity. What is the formula? This name VIO. The image with respect to object of the velocity, that is equal to how much is there? 2V. What is the formula here? The 2V. Then we can write here the 2 into the velocity. How much is given by the 15? That is equal to 30 meters per second. But here what we can write here? The velocity, the speed with respect to image with respect to man. So the velocity speed, the man with respect to image. What we can find the man with respect to image. That is how much is there here? 30 meters per second.